Today I'm going to be doing something that I have not done for quite some time. That seems to be a theme here lately with my videos. But I'm going to be sharing with you an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging, unboxing, whatever you wish to call it. I truthfully don't remember the last time I did one of these because it was a long time ago that I've lost track. I know I wasn't doing them every month, but even so I decided to wait even longer because right now I'm trying not to spend a lot. I'm trying to save because there's lots of expenses coming up in the future. So I'm really not trying to buy a lot of extra things if I can help it, but I did get this for this month as kind of a Valentine's present to myself because every now and then you have to treat yourself, and I'm not one to really do that too often or spend money on myself. I usually rather spend money on other people than myself, but as far as if it's not a need, I'll get things I need, but as far as wants, I try to be very responsible about those sorts of things. But every now and then I will get myself a little treat surprise, and my battery's dying. I'll be back. That is the one downside to these Sony batteries, is that they don't last super long. Luckily I had a backup. They're also not the easiest to charge. But I had a backup, so we are good. But if the framing looks a little different than the last shot, you know why. And I completely forgot what I was saying before. Yeah, I decided to get one of these and share them with you. So I do kind of know what I got because 2 items they chose for me, and then I was able again to choose from each tier a different item. I just changed the camera again because it was kind of low. I didn't like that angle. So hopefully this is better. I don't know, I'm always trying to change up the location, try out different things, test them out, see how they work. I know it probably doesn't matter to you that much, but I like to change it up because I like variety and I like to just try out different spots, different positioning. But it can also make things tricky at times. So hopefully this is working well, but I've done enough rambling and introduction. So let's get into the Ipsy. Probably the last one you'll see for minimum 6 months or so, because I really gotta get even stricter with myself and only pay bills and necessities. So let's enjoy it. You are loved. Buy yourself flowers. Well, they jumped right on that Miley Cyrus song. Wear a fragrance that makes you smile. Give yourself a compliment for trying that new lip color. And this is created by designer Dime Jones. This month's bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled. Well, I guess I chose a good treat yourself month because self-love is the best love. And I know they were also doing a Bailey Sarian bag this month, so I thought all the ones might be of her, but I think you had to order hers specially. And from what I could see, none of those items screamed out to me, and I wasn't going to order a separate special one. Get to know your Glam Bag Plus picks valued at $120 plus. First off, there's the tie-dye bag, and what does it say on it? Oh, it says self-love is the best love. So I'm going to start with the items that they included that I didn't have a choice over. They're both skincare items as far as I know. The first one is from Saturday Skin, and it's the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Dive into hydration. Well, that sounds great because lately my skin on my face has been dry and peeling. I don't know why. I use moisturizer every night. I use a good moisturizer. Oh, did I talk about this already? I feel like I might have talked about this already in a video. But I also know it's probably because I'm not drinking enough water, so I'm gonna work on that. Alaska Glacier Water envelops the skin with refreshing moisture. Hydrating Iceland moss extract helps to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. How does it work? Our proprietary 7-peptide mix Found in all our formulas. Okay, but where's the directions? Oh, on the back. Place moisturizer into the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers. Apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisture into the skin. And I'm assuming this is full size. It's 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces. Has pretty pink packaging. This item costs $39. Let's hope it's a good moisturizer, and I will be sure to let you know if it is. The second item I did not have a choice over is the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. They must have known I need hydration right now. Tone, soothe, revitalize. Oh, please don't be a toner. All skin types. Close your eyes and spray evenly on cleansed skin, holding the bottle about 6 inches away from the face. All right, let's see what you do. Retails for $35. This is the full size at 3.4 fluid ounces. Don't let the dry winter weather ravage your skin. Help protect it with this water-based essence that's brimming with antioxidant-rich wine and rose extracts. That makes me a bit skeptical. To boost your skin's moisture content, your skin will feel replenished and restored. Close your eyes and spray evenly on cleansed skin, holding the bottle about 6 inches away from your face. It's clinically tested to help improve fine lines and boost skin's moisture levels. I'm still skeptical about these claims. I will give it a try for you and hope that it helps this dry skin be more hydrated. Now for the things I chose, some options were limited as far as what I would like, so I did my best. This is the Luna Magic Universal Lip Liners in Bonita and Mamacita. I've never heard of this brand, but you know I love lip color. So let me read about them first before I test them out. $24. Bonita is a gorgeous mauve color, while Mamacita is a beautiful mid-tone brown. Okay, it doesn't say too much else that we don't already know about lip liners. Looks like they're a twisty kind. So this is Mamacita. Definitely glides on easily. Ooh, I don't know that I'll be using Mamacita much. It is very brown. I don't know if that's me. Let's hope Bonita's better. Yeah, that's definitely a mauve. And that's a color I could see myself using, but the brown, not so much. Not thrilling, but again, I had limited choice. Another skincare product from the Cleanest Lab. Oh no, it's not skincare, just kidding. This is a hair product from the Cleanest Lab, and it's a leave-in conditioning spray. Silicone-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free, vegan formulation. This high-performance leave-in spray absorbs quickly for soft, silky hair and so much more. Increase compatibility, detangle, prevent damage, eliminate static, increase hydration, add instant shine. I like the sound of that. Tame frizz and flyaways, also like the sound of that. Protect and support and hydrate without buildup. Those things I like to hear. Goes for $32. No need to fret about your frizzy, detangled, and dull-looking locks. Just a few spritzes of this nourishing leave-in will help revitalize your hair. It's formulated with a powerful blend of upcycled jackfruit, chia protein, and chickpea protein to boost hydration and shine while helping to reduce frizz and knots. Well, we will see how that works out. Today my hair is looking good because I had it done today professionally. Normally, it needs a lot of help. And I don't think I utilize products enough because I don't always know the best way to use them, but I think I should try to use them more and maybe that would help. So we will see in the future how this works out. And the final item going along with the dry skin theme is a lotion, because I am going through lotions like it's nobody's business and my skin just needs it, and I was running low. So when I saw lotion as an option on there, that's what I chose. And it's from their Refreshments line. and it's the Velvet Body Cream in Citrus Spritz. There was 2 scents to choose from, but they don't have descriptions of the scents other than the name, and I wasn't sure about the other one because it had ginger in it, and I just wasn't sure if I would love it. But this is Citrus Spritz. Dive into rich, velvety moisture for a royal glow. Nourishes and restores quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration, and kind to skin. And it's 8 fluid ounces. This baby is clinically proven to hydrate skin up to 24 hours. I'll be putting that to the test. Retails for $14. So I didn't do the math of adding everything up, but they say it's a $120 value. First, let's smell it. Just a very fresh, clean smell. Kind of what you'd expect from Citrus Spritz. Yes, so it definitely is as described as a lotion, not a body butter. But it does feel good going on, does absorb in nicely, though you can kind of see on my skin it's a bit shiny compared to the other. But I think I will enjoy using it. That is everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For having been away from it a while, I don't know. It's not super exciting this time around. So I don't know if I'll be going back to it. I know I won't anytime soon, and I don't know if I will at all. But then I don't know, because I do like the surprise of it, and I could say, oh, I could take that money and put it toward other things, but not completely, because for what this costs and the items I'm getting, I can't really buy much else for that cost. I'll probably get one single item. So I don't know, I guess it will depend how much I end up using these things. But let me know. Do you want to see these videos? Do you find them interesting? Maybe I'll have a whim another time and want to get one, but if I'm not getting excited about the products, then maybe I should just put it toward other stuff. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not being too much of a downer. But I will try all of these out, and who knows? I will say I have found some very favorite products from my Ipsys, such as some shimmery lip toppers that I use, a lip mask that I got from them, some skincare items. So I have found a lot of favorites that I then end up wanting to repurchase. So maybe I'm speaking too soon. Maybe I will do a follow-up in a vlog or empties or favorites or something, and let you know how it turned out and how I really liked the products. But there you go, that's what I got. If you're interested in trying Ipsy for yourself, I do have a link below if you would like to use that, and I think it gives you maybe a discount off your first bag? I can't remember, but I'll have all the details below. But thank you for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!